Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're doing, yet again, another bloom pour. I don't know what to say. I'm completely in love with the process of making these right now. So, in this video I'm layering several different colors that I feel would provide a pretty nice color contrast as well as some really brilliant gradient effects. As you can see, I just made a mistake, and that's another beautiful thing about this process is you're never stuck with something. If you make a mistake, you can always pour over it and start again. So that's what I did here. I'm using my Grenache again. You all know I'm a sucker for red. But the way that Grenache mixed with that teal color, it just created a really awesome looking color. The cells in this one, out of this world. I can only imagine if I could get my hands on that Australian flood draw, how well these would come out. But I've been having great difficulty getting my hands on that stuff. But I will one day. So as you can see, I'm doing my typical puddles. My camera died. That's why you saw me blow the colors out and then they were instantly cells. So work with what you got. Sometimes technology does not cooperate with me, and that's okay. But this Harvest Gold from this little piggy and that Grenache are a really great set of colors that go well together. I think the stark black background of the pillow paint actually helped accentuate some of these lighter colors quite a bit. This one right here was my favorite of the four. I think it was probably because I used a lot more paint. So the cells had more opportunity to open up, had even more lacing than I could have hoped for. And as you can see, that one came out amazing. Crazy multicolored cells. So now you're seeing all four together. Top-down view with that light, and with that light it actually helps you see the way they look to me. So when I'm looking at them in real life, I'm seeing all this sparkle and the shimmer, this really delicate, fine lacing, and all these multicolored cells, and I'm just blown away. I love them.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.